We used the Node.js 6.10 runtime in the last lecture. So I'm going to quickly show you the same example using Node.js 8.10 runtime. So inside the Lambda function, we simply switch the runtime from 6.10 to 8.10. Save the function, and it's still going to work because this JavaScript code is valid in Node.js 8.10 as well. So let's test it out. And we can see that it's working well. And if you wanted to use the async await feature that's supported by this new Node.js 8.10 runtime, you can do that as well. So what I'm going to do is simply add async here before the function definition. And in that case, we won't have a callback, so we remove the callback. And inside the function, instead of the callback, we simply return the message. Just like that. We don't need to await anything here, so I'm not going to use the await operator. So save the function and let's test it out. And it's working fine, so it's still a great day today. And if we go back to our API in the browser and test it, it's going to work. We don't have to redeploy the API in this case because we did not change anything in the API gateway. So refresh this page and we can see that it's still working. Just to demonstrate that the API is actually showing the response from our new Lambda function running on Node 8.10, let's go back to the Lambda console and change our message string slightly. So what I'm going to do is simply add an extra exclamation mark to each of these message strings. Save the function. And now if we refresh the browser, we should see messages with 2 exclamation marks. And it's working as expected. So it's still a great day today. Awesome. So thank you for your time, and in the next lecture, we look at some key features along with some pros and cons of serverless architecture.